Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, forget the network and connect it again. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on the icon, tap on forget this network, and then search again and connect again. So after this solution, the next solution is disable all Wi-Fi networking service. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, scroll down, tap on system services. So after this, find Wi-Fi networking here. So networking and wireless, turn off this. So after this, go back, and the next solution is check your VPN settings. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so disconnect VPN from your iPhone. So if you have connected, so I don't have connected any VPN. So after this, the next solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. So for the reset, tap on settings and open general, go scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So tap on reset network settings here to reset your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.